Want to get Olivia Rodrigo aesthetic? Me too. So let's do it. We're gonna do a style analysis, then I'm gonna show you some references, and also I'm gonna try to get Olivia style with what I have in my closet. We're gonna be playing around with my clothes today, but that's later in the video. First, we're gonna focus on Olivia. So let's go. Olivia's style is leaning towards the edgy street style. If you don't know, it's the basic styles are like classic, romantic, bohemian, preppy, casual, glamour, and edgy street style. So if you don't know which style are you, of course fashion doesn't have rules. You can like all of them or one or two, but I do like that kind of organization to know what I'm looking for, what I like, or what I'm drawn to. And so if you don't know which one of these you are, but you love Olivia style, maybe search edgy street style. Maybe that's the style for you, and that's like the style that you would like to try out. A tip, I guess that's how I like to kind of play with fashion, especially when I knew about these types of styles. I was like, oh, it made it easier for me, because then with some celebrities I was like, okay, I like this style, or sometimes I just like to see that style but I don't like it in myself. So things like that, to discover yourself and find your own style. It's good to kind of ask yourself these kind of questions, in my opinion. Of course, you can do whatever you want. Fashion is like an art, and it's everybody's thing, and it doesn't really have rules. But I do like to organize myself a little bit, because I can get overwhelmed. Style is effortlessly cool, you know, you always look at her outfits and you look at her and she has this edgy, cool vibe to her. Cool is a word that pops up when I see her chunky boots and things like that. She rocks some vintage pieces, but with a modern twist, which I really like, because she kind of goes to 2000s and Avril Lavigne kind of style, but then she incorporates some trends of today, which is pretty cool, and it just makes it more unique and more her. And I think that she has made herself a signature look. You can feel when you see her music videos or her Instagram posts, you can totally feel the Olivia Rodrigo brand or style or aesthetic or whatever you want to call it. Her personality really comes through. Afraid to play with colors. Of course, her signature color is purple now, but of course she always rocks some other colors, especially black and red and silver. Lately, it's the main colors that I've seen her really play with, outside of the classic purple of hers. So she's not really afraid of colors, which is pretty cool. And one the biggest thing is plaid skirts and skirts in general, mini skirts. I think that she really rocks that kind of schoolgirl kind of skirt, and plaids and silver skirts, mini skirts, and then she just adds a tank top or a cute short top, the Y2K kind of vibes, or something oversized. She really plays with it, and then she puts on tights and chunky boots. Also, she loves accessories, chunky and cool edgy accessories too. She really leans into the edgy style also with the accessories. Maybe she doesn't over accessorize, but what she puts on, it's really she's really thoughtful with her accessories, some rings and those chunky boots or tights and fishnet tights. Little things like that really changes the vibe of the outfit, even if it's subtle changes, but they're still add to the whole aesthetic of the outfit and her whole look. So if you like chains or rings or chunky boots or tights, add it. And you know, plaid skirts or mini skirts, tights, chunky boots, a cute Y2K kind of tank top or top. And I think there's you're really close to Olivia's style. Olivia style mix vintage with modern twist, and add some accessories, add some edgy, cool accessories to it. Of course, you can go with the classic things of Olivia, like her purple, like she also uses a lot of red lips, and you can have like the whole Olivia look. So now we're gonna go and play with what I already have. The challenge here is that I don't have everything that I just said, so I do like a lot in this channel and in my social media and in general to really play with what I already have in my closet, because I feel like sometimes your closet can surprise you and it's fun. And before you purchase things, I understand that you see celebrities, you see your favorite artist or your favorite influencer, and you like some things, but I do like to first play around with my own closet and what I can work with, and then I can find out what I don't like or do like, or I'm like, yes, you know what, I want it, and then I'll purchase it or I'll try to find it. Lately, of course, the whole sustainability is really important, and I think that if you shop smarter, you can then dress better and smarter too. So it's something that I really do on this channel. So we're gonna try to recreate some Olivia aesthetic here. Let's go. So now we're gonna try to put everything that I just said to the test with what I have in my closet, and let's try to see if I can get the Olivia Rodrigo style. Let's go. As I said, Olivia is more into the edgy street style, so for me to give that edginess to the outfit, I'm gonna add some tights, and I'm not a skirt kind of girl, and we're gonna use other, like maybe a dress is coming next, but we're gonna start with some shorts. I am not a skirt kind of girl, and I don't really own the skirts that Olivia uses. Added the tights and the shorts. It's more edgy actually. It's kind of scratched over here, but I didn't mind because maybe it helps with the edginess. Cool vibe. We're also gonna add this boots. I think that this is like a must for Olivia style, like this chunky boots. So these are like the chunkiest boots I have, but if you have like even more chunky boots than this, go for it if you want to go more for the Olivia Rodrigo style. I have the boots on, I think you can tell. I'm gonna do my own recreation of the But Idea Right outfit. Of course I don't have like the silver skirt, as you already saw. And I'm going more for boots instead. I think she has Converse on that one, but chunky boots are still in Olivia Rodrigo's vibe and style. So now I'm gonna put on a tank top, and then of course I'm gonna go for her purple vibes, and I'm gonna crop it because I think hers is a crop top because you can see the tank top under, so I'm trying to go for that vibe. It's the first outfit, the biggest lie I ever said. Now we're gonna add a white button up. You can stay with the shirts, tights and boots combo. I think you can, like with Olivia style, of course you can play with a lot of skirts. If you're into skirts, play with them as much as you can, but if you're not, this three is like good, and just focus up here. She does more this kind of like oversized and then like a skirt, but that's more with what, like we're playing the challenges. I'm playing with what I already have. If you don't have purple on your closet, that's fine. You don't need it to kind of steal Olivia style. She also plays a lot with black and red, and those are like colors that many people have. I'm gonna go with this one because it also reminded me of this outfit that she wore. Like you don't necessarily need to buy new things. Like at some point, if you're really like into something that you don't have and you want to try it out, and you can do it. But first of all, like first try to get creative with your own stuff. She did, like when I was preparing for this video, I never noticed I had that many purple items. Like I don't really use them, and now I'm like, hey, why don't I do that? Things like that. Your closet might surprise you. Here's another one. Now we're gonna change the outfit completely. Now we're gonna put on a skirt. Again, I am not a skirt girl. It felt weird to not add like a skirt for Olivia's style. She doesn't really go for like pencil skirts. She goes for like mini skirts. We're gonna transform this pencil skirt into mini skirt. And we're gonna add this blouse. Actually, it's pretty cool to see kind of the mini skirt going on. I think I'm liking this mini skirt. I feel like it's because of the tights. Because when I have like when I've tried mini skirts without tights, it feels too much for me. But with this one, I feel like pretty cool. I don't know. You can see we changed the whole look. We are going with a dress now. But we're gonna play with it a little bit and you're gonna see how. It's a little bit of a DIY outfit and I cannot really like wear it outside. We talked about it, like Olivia uses a lot of plaid skirts and I don't have plaid skirts. But I do have this plaid shirt. It's a PJ and it's a little bit oversized. So I was playing with it and I was like thinking if I could do it like a top or something, but her thing is like plaid skirts. So if I do this, I do want the black dress to show up a little bit. It's just an idea I had. So of course that's what I said, I cannot go out. You would see that. But hey, it's pretty, like if I have a sweatshirt, like this is a new idea, you can make like a skirt with it. And I think it's pretty cute. Also, I thought that it could be like a plaid dress because it's pretty big on me. Something like this. So that was the outfits. Of course, I had to kind of go a little bit of like DIY with this thing. The first time that I do the style analysis and trying on clothes on the same video, so the editing might be a little bit rough because I'm really new at this, but so sorry about that. But trust me, I'm gonna try to keep doing these videos better and better. I'm learning. So hopefully you like the ideas and it gave you more inspiration and more like understanding of Olivia's style. Honestly, it's a style that I would like to try more and more in the future. And as you saw, like I'm not into skirts, but I did like the tights and skirts combo, so maybe now for fall and winter it's a good combo to not freeze but also look pretty edgy like Olivia. I'm pretty cool like Olivia. So anyway, hopefully you like all this style analysis and let me know if you would like more of this kind of videos in the future and if there's more celebrities that you would like me to dive into their style and talk about it and try it out. Honestly, also if you're a Olivia Rodrigo fan, which I'm sure you are if you're watching this video, I did this like little TikTok of the outfits that we just did, and of course not all of them made the cut, so go check out my TikTok and see which ones made the cut. And honestly, I think I'm gonna add one that I didn't even try here because I didn't have the sweatshirt, like I didn't find it when I was filming it, but then I found it and I kind of filmed it. And maybe there's like a mysterious outfit on my TikTok, so go check it out. But you still got all the secrets behind that TikTok, so that's pretty cool. Like those kind of TikToks and you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok. All my social media links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a good day, and yeah.